Time to paint. Tech Talk. In this chapter, we will learn about starting paint, parts of a paint window, drawing shapes, filling color in a shape, erasing the drawing, saving the drawing. Starting paint. The steps to start paint are as follows. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Scroll down and click on the Windows Accessories folder. Step 3. Click on the Paint. The paint window will appear. Parts of a paint window. The parts of a paint window are shown below. File menu. It contains options such as New, Save, Print, Open, etc. Quick Access Toolbar. It contains shortcut buttons for commands that are used again and again. Tabs. It contains various groups and commands used in Paint. Ribbon. It contains tabs, groups and commands. Drawing area. It is a blank area used for drawing. Drawing shapes. Let us learn to draw different shapes using the Shapes group. Using this group, we can draw a straight line, curved line, rectangle, square, circle, oval, triangle, star, and much more. Line tool. This tool is used to draw straight lines. The steps to draw a straight line are as follows. Step 1. Click on the Line tool in the Shapes group. Step 2. Select a color from the Colors group. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The pointer will change to a plus sign. Step 4. Click and drag the mouse in the direction in which we want to draw the line. Release the mouse gently. A straight line appears in the drawing area. Oval tool. This tool is used to draw circles and ovals. The steps to draw an oval or a circle are given below. Step 1. Click on the Oval tool. Step 2. Select a color from the Colors group. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Step 4. Now click and drag the mouse to draw an oval or a circle. Similarly, we can use other shape tools to draw many more interesting shapes. Filling color in a shape. To fill a shape with color, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the Fill with Color tool in the Tools group. Step 2. Select a color from the Colors group. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer over the object to be filled with color. Step 4. Click the left mouse button and we see that the color is filled in that shape. Erasing the drawing. The eraser tool is used to erase any part or the whole picture. To use the eraser, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the eraser tool from the Tools group. Step 2. Choose the size of the eraser by clicking on the Size button. Step 3. A square will appear in the drawing area. Hold down the left mouse button and move it over the area to be erased. Saving the drawing. To save the drawing, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on File menu. Step 2. Click on Save command. A Save As dialog box will appear. Step 3. Type the file name in the File Name box. Step 4. Click on the Save button.